Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious red sangria. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need one standard 750 milliliter bottle of dry red wine, such as a Tempranillo or Garnacha, which provides a great base. Next, select fresh fruits like 1 orange, 1 apple, and 1 lemon, all thinly sliced. Don't forget a sweetener, perhaps 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or simple syrup, and about 1/4 cup of brandy for an extra kick. These components are key to a vibrant flavor. Once you have your fruits, it's time for preparation. Thoroughly wash and then thinly slice 1 orange, 1 apple, and 1 lemon. Place all these vibrant fruit slices into a large pitcher. Now, add your chosen sweetener, whether it's 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or a similar amount of simple syrup, directly over the fruit. Gently stir everything together. Let this mixture sit for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing the fruits to macerate and release their wonderful juices and aromas. This step is crucial for a rich, fruity base. Now for the main event, combining everything. Carefully pour the entire 750 milliliter bottle of dry red wine into your pitcher, joining the macerated fruits. Next, add about 1/4 cup of brandy or an orange liqueur like Cointreau to give your sangria an extra layer of complexity and warmth. Stir all the ingredients gently but thoroughly, ensuring the sugar dissolves and everything is well integrated. For the best flavor, cover the pitcher and chill the sangria in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After chilling, your delicious red sangria is ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, give the sangria a gentle stir to redistribute the fruits and flavors. Fill individual glasses with ice, then pour the sangria, making sure each glass gets a generous portion of the fruit. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh orange or lemon slice. If you prefer a slightly lighter or spritzier drink, you can add a splash of sparkling water or club soda just before serving. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing red sangria.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.